Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $479.46 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $476.12 $487.63. The earlier day close, $477.38. The change was plus 2.8, plus 2.44%. Opposite rate, US to BCH. Bitcoin cash estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $551. Exorbitant cost $684, while low cost $551. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $606. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $639. Change for July 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $639. Excessive cost $639, while low cost $536. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $598. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $576. Change for August 9%. Bitcoin cash figure for September 2024. Before all else cost at $576. Excessive cost $715, while low cost $576. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $634. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $668. Change for September 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at $668. Excessive cost $732, while low cost $636. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $680. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $684. Change for October 24%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at $684. Excessive cost $766, while low cost $666. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $708. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $716. Change for November 7%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at $716. Excessive cost $863, while low cost $716. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $776. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end $807. Change for December 7%. Bitcoin cash figure for January 2025. Initially cost at $807. Exorbitant cost $898, while low cost $780. The found the middle value of cost $831. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $839. Change for January 4%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost cost at $839. Exorbitant cost $934, while low cost $812. I found the middle value of cost $865. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $873. Change for February 1%. Bitcoin cash gauge for Walk 2025. To start with cost at $873. Exorbitant cost $184, while low cost $873. They found the middle value of cost $961. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 1013. Change for spring 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for April 2025. In the first place cost at $113. Exorbitant cost $194, while low cost $950. They found the middle value of cost $120. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 1T22. Change for April's on 9%. Bitcoin cash gauge for May 2025. At the outset cost at $22. Excessive cost $107, while low cost $963. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $1,032. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,035. Change for May 3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for June 2025. To start with cost at $135. Exorbitant cost $126, while low cost $978. They found the middle value of cost $148. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $1,052. Change for June 6%. Bitcoin cash gauge for July 2025. To start with cost at $1,052. Exorbitant cost $1,029, while low cost $981. They found the middle value of cost $1,054. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $1,055. Change for July's on 3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for August 2025. At the outset cost at $1,055. Excessive cost $1,310, while low cost $1,055. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $1,161. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,224. Change for August 16%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at $1,224. Excessive cost $1,224, while low cost $969. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $1,115. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,042. Change for September 14.9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost cost at $1,042. Exorbitant cost $1,096, while low cost $952. They found the middle value of cost $1,029. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $1,024. Change for October 17%. Bitcoin cash estimate for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $1,024. Excessive cost $1,051, while low cost $913. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $993. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $982. Change for November 1%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at $982. Excessive cost $1,096, while low cost $952. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $1,014. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,024. Change for December 3%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for January 2026. Before all else cost at $1,024. Excessive cost $1,024, while low cost $800. They arrived at the midpoint of cost $927. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end $860. Change for January 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $860. Exorbitant cost $1,068, while low cost $860. They found the middle value of cost $947. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end $998. Change for February 16%. Bitcoin cash gauge for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at $998. Exorbitant cost $998, while low cost $779. They found the middle value of cost $903. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end $838. Change for spring 16%. ICE to BCH expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at ZOR 167 coins. Exorbitant costs onto 28, while lows on 39. They found the middle value of cost $986. The ICE to BCH estimate toward the month's end